Hey everybody, so today on Tracie Reed Designs, I'm using DecoArt Extreme Sheen Metallic paints again. My last video I did a reverse ring pour, so today I'm doing the reverse of a reverse ring pour. So for those of you trying to figure that one out, it's just a regular ring pour, guys. I'm going to add some cloud effect to it, and I'm going to go ahead and just get started. Okay guys, so I've got a 12 by 12 canvas that I'll be working on. I've got my DecoArt Extreme Sheen Metallic paints. These are left over from my reverse ring pour that I did in my last video. And I'm going to give it another go doing a regular ring pour. These are all mixed with my pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water. And I mixed them 1 part paint to 3 parts pouring medium. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and start putting the paint in the cup. Hey everybody, so the painting is all dry and I am super happy with my results from these Extreme Sheen paints. They dry really nice. The colors blend really nice together. The metallics are just crazy beautiful, so I am definitely going to be using these more in the future. The cloud effect looks really cool in this painting. The mix with the gold looks really soft in areas, and then it got really dark, so I like that contrast. Let me know what you guys think of this painting in the comments, and let me know what you guys think of Extreme Sheen paints if you've used them. I am very interested in your experiences. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also share this video, and have a great day.